Come back with your quiet eyes. Don't blind me with regret, no. Come back.